Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you are new to my channel, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Today is Quick and Easy Day, which is always on Thursday. And so we are making this cute little Easter treat holder. It is so quick and easy, and it's so pretty. You can fit, I put Mercy in here, but you can put some M&Ms. I have some of the little M&Ms. You can stick some Ghirardelli in here. You can stick some Skittles. You can stick even a little cookie, like a flatter cookie would fit in here if it's packaged. Little Debbie's, they have the little regular packaged cookies. But anything like that, there's so much you can put in it. It's small, it's narrow, but you can fit a lot of different things in it. So this is what I'm sharing today. These little envelope, I've seen these all over the place, but these little envelope shaped treat holders are really popular now. I've really seen a bunch of them all over the place. So I thought I'd share this with you because it is super easy and you can make a bunch of these. These would be cute for a woman's tea, or even for a nursing home. I can think of so many places and so many things. You can change it up to, this is more for, I'd say, the mature audience, for more adult, but you can definitely change it and make it more for kids and do it for like a classroom or something like that. All right, let's get started with it. It's really easy and quick. So what you're gonna need for this is a piece of cardstock. I'm using Poppy Parade today. And it's 8.5 by 8.5. And then I'm using this for the designer series paper. Isn't this paper gorgeous? Look at this, the tulips on here. So I'm going to tell you what this one is here. It is the Flowering Fields. Oh my gosh, I think this would be perfect too for Easter because of the purple. I love the purple colors. And there's so many pretty patterns in here. I'm almost out of this paper. I love it, and I've used both sides of it. It's really pretty. So that is the paper that I'm using. Aren't those tulips gorgeous though on here? I just love this one. This piece here is 8 by 8. This piece is 8.5 by 8.5. I'm using the Timeless Tulips for this, and I'm just using this smaller one, but I am using the leaves and a stem. And then we are using the Stitch So Sweetly, which I'm using this tag right here for that. You can use the rectangle, whichever you like. I thought this was really pretty. So that's what we're using for this, really easy. So I need to get my trimmer here, and we need to cut these. So how I am going to cut this on a diagonal. So you're going to put this point on your channel of your trimmer. Put both points there, and then I usually try to start in the middle here because it's easier to cut it straight if you start in the middle. I don't like catching the ends because sometimes it'll curl the ends. So now you can create two out of one 8.5 by 8.5. Then we're going to do the same with the designer series paper. You're just going to put the points right there again in the channel there, where it's going to cut. Make sure you got it nice and straight. And then I do start this in the middle as well. And then you have two sides here for your treat holders. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we'll just do one. And what I'm gonna do first of all is I am going to mat this piece. So make sure you get your little corners too. That's why I love using the wet glue. You can get in every little corner because you want it to stay on here. And we're going to put this on here and just like center it in here. And then we are going to score it. So we are going to score this, and I'm scoring on this side. So you're going to score on the 12-inch side, and you are going to score this at 4 and 8. I want it to be deep enough so I can see it from the other side. Okay, so all you're going to do is let's go ahead and let's put our adhesive on first. So you're going to use tear and tape for this. And you are going to put a piece, I'm going to cut this end so it's straight. Maybe we should sharpen it first so it'll make it easier for us to. All right, there. Now we're going to put this from that edge just to one side here. And the reason it was on an angle is because I cut it, the last one I did, I've actually done 2 of the other ones, just like that. And then you're going to remove this backing. You're going to put this side that doesn't have the adhesive first, and then you're going to flip this. Look how quick these are. You can make a ton of these, y'all, but look how gorgeous that paper is. Isn't that stunning? I love it. All right, let's stamp. I already cut this out. Let's stamp it with Memento Black. I love this sentiment. Happy Easter, happy spring, happy, happy everything. Stamp that in the middle. And then we are going to stamp our flowers. So I'm going to just use these for our flowers. I'm using Poppy Parade this time. On this one, I used Mango Melody and Evening Evergreen. But on this one, we're using Poppy Parade for our flowers, and you do need 2 of them. On these flowers, you do have to fussy cut them. We do have a punch that coordinates with this Timeless Tulip, but it only punches, this is it right here, and it punches the large tulip and the curvy leaf. But we are using the other leaves and the smaller ones, so we have to fussy cut these. So we're using Evening Evergreen again for the leaves. So I need 2 leaves. So we'll do one there and one here. And then I want 1 stem. So we're going to do this stem here. And oops. Then I'm going to fussy cut these out. So I'll speed through this so you don't have to waste your time watching me. Okay, y'all, we have these all ready to go. We have our stem, our 2 flowers, and our 2 leaves that we're using. So what we're going to do here is we are just going to add this. I'm going to use some of my Stampin' Seal Plus. And we're going to add that to the front here. I'm going to use wet glue for this. Y'all, if you have a scan and cut, this is the and you want to make a bunch, this is the perfect thing for you to use. Why is it every time I open this thing, it is clogged up on me? I've washed the inside. A few people said you need to clean the inside, wash the top of it, and I've done it so many times. So I'm going to use my little pin to unclog this, and it should come out. There we go. These things drive me crazy, I tell you, sometimes. So we're putting this one here. And we're popping up our flowers, so I'm going to use some dimensionals on these. We're actually just doing this one. Let's see. This is why I like the wet glue, because I can move this around if I want. I'm going to put that one there. And then I'm going to put 1 leaf on here. I'm going to glue that one down too. Let's do it this way. And then on this one, I'm going to cut the leaf because I don't want it that long for this little one. So I'm just going to clip that here. I'm going to add it to the back. I am going to tuck this one kind of underneath here. So we're going to add our adhesive in here. You can pop it up though if you'd like. I'm just going to put that right there. And then I am going to use, this time, I used the other time, I used this bumblebee gingham on the other one, but I'm going to use this gingham this time. And this comes in the Flowers for Every Season. It has these 3. This is one of my favorite packs of ribbon. It's so pretty. And then we're going to use this one on this. I'm going to make a small one though. It's so pretty. This tie is so pretty too. And then we're going to use a glue dot to add that right here to this one. I love the gingham on this. I don't know, gingham just says spring to me. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? I like that. I love these. They're so fun too. I'm using 2 of these packets of M&Ms. You can put 2 in, you can put 1 in if you want. But I just want to show you, you could put a bunch of different things in this. But look how quick and easy and how fun. Which one's your favorite? I think they're so pretty. This designer series paper is so pretty. So yeah, there you go. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, here's my March Hostess code. And you can shop right from my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.